Hey guys, so here's the Canarm Twister again in the 3-blade configuration. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So here's the light. You guys have seen the light in the other video. And let's start this on low. Moves a little faster with 3 blades. And again, you're hearing that squeaking noise again. That's not bearing noise. That's just the motor rubbing on the housing since it's on the floor. Can already feel a breeze. Okay, well, here's medium. I can already feel the breeze now. And here's a high. Yep, I can feel a lot of air coming from it. I can even feel it from where I am. Alright, hopefully this works out. Here is the fan and light on at the same time. Just like in the last video. Okay. So now we'll do spin down. And then we'll try it out on reverse. Yeah, so spins a lot faster with 3 blades, especially on high. Yeah, so yeah. All right, let's do reverse. Here it is on low. Here's medium. You can already see it's blowing this. When you floor test the fan on reverse, it blows stuff around. So yeah. I can see it wobbling a bit even. Might have been wobbling on forward. I didn't notice, or I didn't see. But yeah. I didn't see if it was wobbling on forward. And here's high. Yeah, on reverse it blows stuff. Like, it's blowing that, it's blowing that, and it's blowing that. Some stuff over here. And I can feel the airflow on my feet. And off. Oh, and now the chains fell again. Well, at least I'm not doing spin down for reverse because I already did it on forward. So, yeah, I'll just stop it by hand. Alright, so, yeah, anyways, that's it for the Canarm Twister. So, I'm going to be taking this off the floor now and putting it back into the putting it back into the box. And hopefully I can find a home for this fan and actually install it somewhere in the house. I don't know where. I'll install it in the house if there's any good place I could find in this house to install it. Because I don't really have much small spaces I could put it. But I have one place in mind, and hopefully that will happen. So yeah, anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this Canarm Twister, and thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.